welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Renee F 5-in-1 lipstick pen. Basically I have both the shades from the Renee collection, that is the corals, nudes, and on the other hand there were some darker shades like maroons, reds. So there was an offer going on the Amazon application in which both the lipsticks in a combination costed me rupees 1099. So both these lipsticks come in this box kind of in format. Over there it is written Renee in big bold letters. So let me tell you a little bit more about these lipsticks. Guys, in this box you will get these 10 different shades. Okay, so these are the 10 different shades that you'll be getting, and these are really beautiful shades. And like, I just love how pigmented and how creamy these are while applying. So I'll be showing you up that how these swatches look on me, and I haven't done much makeup yet. I haven't given any base. I just applied the liner in a single line of kajal, inner line kajal, nothing else. So you can see that if you are just applying lipstick without any makeup, how these look on you. So yeah, let's get into this video.
So guys, these lipsticks come in a pen form with the color codes defined above. So this Fab 5-in-1 pen contains mostly reds, pinks, maroons and bright colors. So if you are somebody who loves to put on bright shades and dark colors, this particular pen would be perfect for you. So guys, the quantity that you are getting for each shade is 1.5 grams, which is also a good amount of product. The only negative thing I feel about this pen lipstick is that there is no shade name defined for these lipsticks. But the colors are really beautiful, which can be worn from casual to festive occasions. So yeah, 5 lipsticks for rupees 750. But yeah, if you buy the box, you get 2 lipsticks for around 1000 rupees. Which makes 500 rupees for each. So 500 rupees for 5 shades is not a bad steal. So the main thing that I like about these lipstick is that they are quite moisturizing, and on applying it on lips, they seems to have velvety matte form, which is really nice. Also, these lipsticks are not transfer proof, but they do stay for long even if they transfer. The pigment is going to stay on your lips, so the darker shades will probably last for around 4 to 6 hours on your lips, even if you eat or drink, but the lighter shades are going to last for about 3 to 4 hours, and you have to reapply after eating and drinking. So you can easily carry them in your purse as the packaging is quite compact and they are travel friendly, and you can easily change the color in seconds if you wish to. So next comes this 5-in-1 nude lipstick pen. It contains 5 shades which are coral nudes, pink nudes and brown nudes. So first one is the chocolatey nude shade. So if you are somebody who loves to wear light shades, then you'll definitely gonna love this lipstick pen than the previous one. So the best thing is that the colors are quite pigmented and they complement the Indian skin tone beautifully. So these lipsticks are handcrafted, naturally sourced, cruelty-free, paraben-free. So I guess I have cleared everything about the product. So if you still have any questions in your mind, you can comment in the comment section below. I'll clear out all the doubts regarding these lipsticks. So overall, this is a good purchase. They are beautifully formulated. So yes, from the cons perspective, I think that there is no particular cons other than the fact that they do not come with the names, and you need to be very careful while changing the colors in the pen so that none get tempered while you are changing the lipsticks. So take care about the changing procedure. Also, while replacing the cap, make sure that the lipsticks are completely inside the tube so that they are not popping out of the tube. Else this is going to ruin the lipsticks. So these are the few simple points that you have to take care, nothing major as such. So I'll definitely recommend these to you if you are looking for a good and economical buy. Now which one do you want to purchase is totally your choice.
So guys, those were the swatches, and if you really like my video, do thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more further updates, and also share it with your friends, and do mention to me in the comment section below, and if you want to know more about this product in detail or any such thing, I'll definitely try to respond on those. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.